exposing the truth behind the Taos hum. Are you ready to dive in? In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, some residents hear a low-frequency hum, but here's the kicker: not everyone can hear it. This phenomenon has baffled scientists for decades. Is it natural, man-made, or something else entirely? Theories range from secret military experiments to geological anomalies, but despite numerous investigations, the source remains unknown. Could you hear the hum if you visited Taos? Or would you be left in silence wondering what's driving others mad? The Taos hum, a mystery that continues to baffle and intrigue. Want more mysteries? Hit that follow button and stay tuned.